In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make lines thicker in Canva tutorial. Let's keep this simple and clear so you can get it done in just a few moments. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're looking at the design where your line already lives. Once your design is open, click directly on the line you want to adjust. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding handles around it and the top toolbar updates with options specific to that element. If the toolbar at the top doesn't change, click the line again to make sure it's the active element. With the line selected, look to the toolbar across the top of the editor and find the option labeled Stroke Style. This is the control center for how your line looks. Click it to open a small panel. Inside that panel, you'll see a control called Stroke Weight. This is the slider that controls thickness. To make the line thicker, click and drag the Stroke Weight slider to the right. As you move it, you'll see your line update instantly on the canvas, so you can stop exactly where it looks right for your design. If you're aiming for a specific look, move the slider in small increments and take a quick glance at the overall composition each time. Thicker lines draw more attention and can help separate sections or emphasize key elements, while modest increases keep things clean and subtle. If you go too far and the line feels heavy, just slide back to the left until the design balances out again. A couple of quick tips to help you get a polished result. Zoom in a bit while adjusting so you can judge the edge quality and spacing more precisely, especially if your line sits close to text or icons. Then zoom back out to make sure the thickness still feels right at a normal viewing size. If you don't see the stroke style panel, double check that you're working with a line element rather than an image or text box. Only line and shape elements use stroke weight. The same slider also works with shapes that have borders, so you can keep a consistent look across your design. When you're satisfied with the thickness, click anywhere outside the panel to close it. Your change is saved automatically in Canva, so you can continue designing without missing a beat. That's all there is to it. Select the line, open stroke style, and increase the stroke weight slider to the right. Simple, fast, and effective.